So recently we ran out of room at Graveyard Carz. We're always growing, always expanding. It dawned on me that the cars we're sending out, like this Hemi Charger and that 446 Ferrari GTX, they come back and they sit in the rain after they've already been dipped and cleaned. That doesn't work for us. That means we got to go back over and have it dipped again after it gets rusty. I reached out to ShelterLogic. I told them that we needed a unit that wasn't too expensive. It's a big one, it's 120 feet long, 30 feet wide, but I wanted to be able to keep these cars out of the weather. They suggested the ShelterTech line. They built us this custom 120 foot by 30 shelter with galvanized pipe, extra heavy duty vinyl, a fraction of what it would have cost if I would have built a building, but it's up in a few days. In fact, me and 5 other guys put this thing together. The cars that are inside here are irreplaceable. So at the end of the day, when I had to make a decision, where do I want to keep a $250,000 Daytona Charger after it comes back from the metal dipping, I chose ShelterTech. You should too.